Hello, good day. Thank you for tuning in and watching Kenny's collection again. So yesterday I went ahead and I made 2 candles for a customer's order, and I promise that today I will show you the outcome of the candles, and I will also be featuring a giveaway for one lucky customer. So right here I have the 2 candles that I made yesterday. The first one is pumpkin chai, and this is what the label would look like. If you can see, pumpkin chai, you have the name. Over to the left you have the ingredients, and to the right you have some quick QR codes as to how to contact me via Facebook, Instagram, or via email. So this is the first one. On top you have a label, handcrafted scented candle. And then on the bottom, you have the warning label that tells you how to handle with care to prevent any damages and like burning your house or your office or wherever you'll put it down. And the second candle is the Very Vanilla. And this was the outcome. This is what it looks like. Front, side, top, and bottom. Very cute. So when I do the packaging, I put my box together. And then I added a business card to the packaging and have it ready for mailing or delivery or pickup. Now, if you need to follow me, here are my QR codes that you can follow me. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, email, or if you need to make a payment, Cash App. So there you have them. If you're interested in following me, if you're not already doing so, you could just put your camera up to the screen, point it at the QR codes, and you will be able to connect with me. Now, I'm just going to show you quickly how I put my box together. Just so you know, these boxes, I found them on a site that made them personalized for me. So just gonna go ahead and just put one of the boxes together on camera and show you. So I fold these 2 pieces in first. The first piece, the second piece, and then I put this piece on top to give it a nice finish. And this is what the bottom looks like, and this is what the inner portion looks like. And then I go ahead and I added on the outer side of the box, I would go ahead and I added scented candle, handcrafted. So what I would do is I would just take my candle, put it in there gently, take a business card, and drop it in the box gently. Now I go ahead and close my box. So first I take it like this, take this out, put that in, and then I would go ahead and tie my ribbon. Here we go. I add my ribbon. I go like this, and then I try to tie a bow tie as cute as I can. So we tie it tightly, but yet gently. And then I do like this, go around, and come like this. And then we have it. And this is how it looks. It's so cute, isn't it? And then on the outside, you have the scented candle. So this is how I do it. For the giveaway, who's ready? Now I have 3 questions I'm gonna ask. The first one is, what month and year did Kenny's collection debut? What month and year did Kenny's collection debut? That's the first question. Second question is, what should I ask? The second question is, what was the name of the company when it was first launched? Is it Kenny's Collections? I don't know. You tell me. That's question number 2. Now, question number 3 is, what was the first item that Kenny's Collection launched? Was it plaques, like these beautiful plaques that I make from resin? So I make these plaques from resin by pouring liquid into a mold, making the first base and then adding my designs and adding my second base, and I personalize these for people. So that's one product that I make. I also make resin keychains. I make jewelry, whether it's handcrafted jewelry, designed, personalized with a motivation, with your name, glow in the dark name, with cute trinkets on them. I also make wall arts. I make paintings. I also design canvases, so you're able to, get motivational languages on canvases. So what was the first item that was launched by Kenny's Collection? Now, what will you win? You have the chance of choosing, after being notified, your candle of choice. The choices are gingerbread alpine balsam, which is a combination of spiced gingerbread and alpine balsam. You have a vanilla pumpkin chai, if that's what you want to have. Here is another, but a smaller, very vanilla pumpkin chai. And then you have a large one over here, which is a vanilla sugar cookie, which is a combination of very vanilla and sugar cookie. So if you get 2 answers correctly, you will be able to get to choose one of these candles for free. If you're in Brooklyn, you can pick it up from me. If you're outside of Brooklyn, I will mail it to you at no cost. That's free. That's what free is. At this point, I would like to thank everyone for following me, for liking, subscribing, for your kind and beautiful, thoughtful words and comments. I appreciate you all, whether you purchase and support, or if you're just supporting by liking and subscribing or sharing. I appreciate you. You are the reason I'm doing this. And I do hope that even if you're not buying from me, I'm able to touch your heart, whether it's by a thoughtful something that I post, or it's by just the words that are on my crafts that just lifts your spirit. That's the aim of this business, is to uplift spirits. Thank you once more. Do not forget to like, share this video with your families and friends. It's okay. Just go ahead and share it, and subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you once more, and be at peace, be blessed, stay blessed. Have